In this video, I'll show you how to change your Slack theme to add a personal touch or refresh your workspace look. First, open Slack either in your web browser or the desktop app. Then log in using your email, Google or Apple account, whichever is easiest for you. Once logged in, select the workspace you want to customize. Each workspace can have its own theme. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. In the new window, navigate to Appearance. Here you'll see predefined themes created by Slack or the option to create custom themes. For custom themes, you can select your own color combinations or click the Surprise Me button for a random fun look. Once you make your choice, your Slack workspace will instantly reflect the new colors. And that's it. Changing your Slack theme is simple, fun, and a great way to make your workspace feel more personalized. Thanks for watching and enjoy your colorful Slack environment.